Good afternoon, we're here again. We have the Salvador SuperUp500. This is a beautiful, simple saw. Can be used for any sort of timber manufacturing process. One of the beautiful things here is it's open at the front. So when we're here to load the timber in, we can turn the machine on, board will come up, we can access the timber underneath it. We've got a short stop on here just to exhibit, but this can come in 1 meter increments on up to whatever. Boards come in, we turn the machine on, everything lifts up, but when we hit the two buttons, the safety shield at the front comes up, and the pressure of the safety hood coming down holds the timber firmly in place. So you don't need to have this fully enclosed, you can't see where you want to cut, if there's specific sizes. It makes it really simple. If you've got long timber, you can access it here rather than having to work around and then feed it in. The SuperUp500, this here has a 500 diameter blade, which is relative to the 500 number. It has a cross section here of about 285 by 80 high. You do 100 by 100. As you come in on size, we can go up to 115 cutting height. But we have also comes with a 550 XL, so if you do need to cut a 300 by 100 section, we up you to the 500 XL, and then that will allow it. So it's a 550 diameter blade, allows you to get that extra height and reach when you do that. So very good saw. We put it on good horsepower. Again, it's catered with our specification to be allowing you to cut Australian hardwood. So density of timber, 1100, 12, 1300 kilograms to the cubic meter. Absolutely no problem on this machine here. It's safe, it complies to all the Australian safety standards. It is robust. This is not little sheet metal roller table. This is solid steel here. It weighs a ton. I've got a great heavy duty bracket for your length stops. We can put a rule here. We also have them set up here that we can put a pneumatic actuator on. We work that from a control panel here, so we can lift things up and down. Very simple for you to adjust. Okay, so you lock them in. We'll have a tape along the top here, generally to give us a direction. Yeah, and then we can control it via that. The Salvador SuperUp500 have several of these now in place here within Australia and New Zealand. Just work